Okay, so here is our last word question for this session. And it says Lydia has a part-time job that pays $250.15, 15% of sales. Okay, so if we need to make an equation here, now notice that there isn't an actual question here. So if I actually add a question, write an equation, let's see what we would have. Well, we want to know how much she's going to get paid, right? So it looks like we need to let P represent her pay. Okay, now her pay is more than just the 250 because if you notice it says and, which we know means plus 15% of sales. Now we don't know what sales are because it's going to change from one week to the next. So that means we have to come up with some kind of variable for sales. So let's let S represent her sales. So I know that her pay, she's automatically, even if she doesn't sell anything, she's going to get $250. And then she's going to get 15% of her sales. Now 15%, so that means I would multiply it by 0.15 of times her sales. Okay, so notice how I translated that. So the 15% of sales, okay, and we did percentages in our first unit. So we want to change that to a decimal and we're going to multiply by S. So 0.15 times the S. Okay, notice we don't put the time sign in there because it just makes it more confusing. So there's that last example. I knew it wasn't going to take very long. The next group of questions are EQAO questions. You can watch them if you want to, just so you can see the type of style that they have.